Hello guys, myself Saurabh Gupta works as assistant professor in electronics and communication department. Today I am discussing about introduction to communication system. We are discussing about what is communication. Communication is a process which transfer information from one person to another person. This communication word is derived from Latin word cummins, from that meaning sharing of information. That communication can be possible through wired and wirelessly. You can see in this diagram two persons are communicating to each other, but here the medium is called the wired, but here the communication is taken place without any wire, right? Next we are discussing about elementary diagram of communication system. You can see in this diagram one person having voice. That voice can be transferred from one point to another point through a signal. That signal can be converted through a transducer. That transducer is called input transducer. That input transducer convert this voice signal into an electronic signal. That electronic signal is processed through a electronic components that called electronic processor. For long distance communication is possible by the help of transmitter, because for long distance without transmitter section it can't be possible. So here a transmitter is placed. That transmitter transmit your information through a air. Here air is used as a channel, right? Next, that information is propagating in air through a electromagnetic wave. That electromagnetic wave receive at the receiving terminal. That receiving terminal again process this information and increase the strength of your signal. That increase the strength means आपको जो वैल्यू मिलेगी, वैल्यू मीन्स स्ट्रेंथ मिलेगी, साउंड की क्वालिटी मिलेगी, दैट इज वेरी गुड एट द रिसीविंग टर्मिनल बाय द रिसीवर. दैट receiving signal is again transferred to the transducer. That transducer is called output transducer, like loudspeaker, so that you can hear the voice of a signal or message in a proper way. So you can see its summary: sender, this input transducer, electronic processor, transmitter, channel, noise, receiver and output transducer. Here noise is included in the channel through a disturbing elements. That disturbing element can be any building, can be other electromagnetic signals also. Now here next point we are discussing how many types of communication is possible, means classification of communication. Communication can be classified as one-way communication, two-way communication. One-way communication means one person is transferring information to another, but other person cannot transfer the information to first one. That is called one-way communication. Two-way communication, point-to-point communication, point-to-point, multi-point communication, wireless communication, wired communication. One by one we are discussing here. One-way communication. One-way communication means one person sending their information to the other, but other one person cannot give their feedback to the first one. That means sender send their information to the receiver, but receiver cannot reply back to the sender. That is called one-way communication. Next, two-way communication. In one-way communication, way communication, it can be possible in this way, one person sending their information to the other one, but it can also be possible that one person can send their information to the multiple person also. This is also included in the one-way communication. Next, two-way communication. In two-way communication, sender send their information to the receiver, receiver revert back, feedback to the sender. This is called the two-way communication. You can see that two persons here communicate to each other. One person send their information in the form of red line, and receiver, other one is the receiver send their feedback in the form of blue lines. That means one person is called sender, other one is this one is called receiver. Next, point to point communication. Point to point communication means you are sending your information from one point to the other point also. In point to multi-point means you can send your information from one person to multiple person through different channels, through different paths. That is called point to multi-point communication. It is also called broadcasting. Next is wireless communication. Wireless communication in which the information is transferred from one person to another person without any wire. Means communication medium is here a air through which only electromagnetic waves send their information from one point to another point. You can see in this diagram many communication are possible here with the help of wireless transmission. Here you can see intelligent transportation. Intelligent transportation means transportation is taken place with the help of wireless system. Many wireless systems are connected your vehicle like GPS system. So with the help of GPS system you can transfer your vehicle information to a particular point. Next, you can see in the smart building. In the smart building, many of the electronic devices send their information to a particular point, right? Next thing is urban planning. Means किसी रूरल अर्बन एरिया में आपकी कोई इंफॉर्मेशन वन पर्सन टू अनदर पर्सन विद द हेल्प ऑफ वायरलेस मीडियम ट्रांसफर हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड अर्बन प्लानिंग, यूज ऑफ wireless communication. Next one is smart grid. Here many grids are transferring their information to a particular point for processing through a smart grid concept. In the next, process industry. Industries are now working in the wireless system with the help of wireless system from one point to another point through a 4G technology. Next is the health and well-being technology. In health technology, we are also used wireless systems. Next is wired communication. Here the information is transferred from one person to another with the help of wired, means like coaxial cables. Another is two wire cables. With the help of that you can transfer your information from one point to another through that called wired communication. Thank you. Have a nice day. In the next session we are discussing about how the communication is possible through a wired and another wireless mediums in details also. Thank you.